In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsync or unlink Gmail accounts. If you've ever found your inboxes getting mixed up or you are using a shared computer and want to keep things separate, this quick walkthrough will help you sign out of all Gmail accounts in your browser and remove an account from the sign-in list on that device. We'll keep it simple, clear, and secure. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or initial. This opens a small menu showing the accounts currently active in this browser. From here, choose Sign Out of All Accounts. This action immediately stops syncing for every Gmail account that's signed in on this browser. Not just the one you are viewing. It's a great reset if you are juggling multiple accounts or using a computer that others can access. After you sign out, your Gmail, as well as other Google services in that browser session, will no longer be connected to your accounts until you choose to sign back in. Next, you'll see the Google sign-in screen. Before entering any details, look for the option to remove an account. Select that. You'll see a list of accounts that this browser remembers for quick sign-in. To unlink one, click the small X next to the account you want to remove. Confirm if you are asked. This does not delete your Google account or your emails. It simply removes that account from this device's sign-in list, so it won't appear as a quick option anymore. If you ever need it again, you can always sign in later using your email and password, and it will reappear. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth and secure. If you share a computer or use a public device, signing out of all accounts when you are done is an important habit. Removing accounts from the sign-in screen adds an extra layer of privacy because it prevents your account from being suggested on that device. Also, if you don't see your profile picture at the top right when you first open Gmail, you may not be signed in yet, which means you can go straight to the sign-in page and use the Remove an Account option there. Finally, remember that these changes apply to the browser you are using. If you use Gmail on another browser or device, you'll manage those sessions separately. And that's it. You've signed out of all accounts and removed the ones you no longer want listed on this browser. Thanks for watching.